Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome back to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to say a lot of things, okay? I am very angry, but to make sure I don't get YouTube upset at me for swearing or carrying on, let me just say this. I'm covering an app called 2248 Pops on today's video, and this app is without a doubt one of the most disgusting scam apps I think I've seen in my entire life, okay? Let's just get started here. This app does not promise you just the casual $300 or $400 of fake money. This app promises up to 40,000 fake PayPal currency and 50,000 fake Amazon currency. So get this everyone, the way that you apparently make money in 2248 Pops is to literally merge a few numbers together every 2 seconds, and then a little pop-up shows up saying, "You've just won $1,000, watch this video ad to get it." Now, can you not see what's going on here, guys? Literally, these developers have just given up completely at this point. They know that their apps are scams. I swear to God, developers are making apps on purpose just to see what they can get away with. I sat on this app for 3 hours straight, and my God, it was so painful. Let me just explain something to you. These developers have gone the extra mile to scam you even further, because guess what everyone? The further you get into the app and the closer you get to the minimum PayPal cash out, they end up giving you diminishing returns. So you go from earning $1,000 per advertisement watched all the way down to 13 cents per advertisement watch the closer you get to the cash out. You guys have no idea how angry I was getting at the fact that these apps still are allowed on the Google Play Store to this day. It is absolutely astonishing to me that Google would actually threaten to ban me for swearing too much on YouTube, but then they allow scam apps on the Google Play Store that literally rip off hundreds of millions of people per day. We live in the craziest time ever, mark my words everyone. Either way though, I ended up cashing out the fake PayPal dollars, and then guess what happens? As a final slap in the face to the user, aka me and you, they say that I have to watch another extra 100 advertisements to activate the order. They don't even count the hundreds of advertisements I watched getting up to the 20,000 mark. Do you know how unbelievably sad this app is? As soon as they said that I had to watch 100 extra ads, I literally just turned off the app and uninstalled it. By the way everyone, I forgot to mention they also have some stupid clickable where if you click it, it apparently offers you up to $300. So I have to watch an ad every time. Watch, you ready? Claim, watch an ad, $385. It's so bad. And if you press no thanks, they play an ad anyway. They also try and give away an iPhone 12 as well, just to make it extra scammy. You cannot make this stuff up, everyone. It is unbelievable, my lord. That is it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed, hit dislike if you didn't enjoy, and let me know why. I'll catch you all in the next few days for the next video. Stay safe, everyone, and stay aware. See you next time.